We're back with another awesome property here in Medellin, Colombia. This one is located in La Linde, which is in the neighborhood of El Poblado. This is a really exclusive, nice neighborhood. You've got a lot of buildings that are very nice, and this is no exception here. This one was just built about 3 years ago, and you can tell pretty much everything is new here. This is the kitchen. I love how this window opens up into the balcony, which we're going to check out here in a minute. The kitchen is an open concept with the living area there. This is the laundry area here that has the water tank. I like that they have an actual tank, not the on-demand system. You can easily fit a washer-dryer stackable combo there. This is the living area here. You could easily fit all of the living room furniture, TV, etc., and probably even like a dining room set, like a 4-person dining table, which would be nice. And as we walk into this hallway here, I'll let you know how big this is. This is about 94 square meters, which is about 1,011 square feet. This is the first bedroom here. Both bedrooms have bathrooms in it. This is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath apartment. You can see the pool area down there, which is one of the best, I think, in the city, and we'll show you that here in a second. This is the in-suite bathroom. There's AK, my business partner, filming this one. I have shown this one to a few people, so I've been here personally, and it is one of my favorites. I have told the clients that I've showed that if it's not sold by 2025, I will probably make an offer. I love it just because you're living in a resort. This is the walk-in closet, by the way. Both rooms are very similar. This is the smaller one. That's a linen closet there. And then this is the other bedroom here. This bedroom is, I think it's slightly bigger. It has this window to the same view, like the north of Medellin right there, which is nice. You could easily fit a king-size bed if you wanted to in there. And then this is the bathroom, another full bath. Really big showers, I like that. So there's not this is turnkey. There's no need to redesign or tear anything up here because it's pretty new. It's only 3 years old. And we're gonna go back over here to take a look at the balcony, which overlooks the pool area downstairs, which is really awesome. So you do get a view, which is nice, of north, I guess that's like the northwest of Medellin. And the pool area downstairs. This is a great apartment for anybody that wants to live here, whether it's full-time or part-time. The rental rates on Airbnb are about $2,500 to $3,000 per month on these. This is the downstairs area. Like this is like a common area with the Turkish bath, the sauna. You've got the jacuzzis here, which is really nice. Again, 360 views also. And this is the pool. It's like you're basically living in a resort. That's why I love it so much. If I bought this, I would not mind living in it at all. So let's talk numbers. This one is listed at 234,000 US dollars. And the square meter per price, or the price per square meter, is about $2,500, which is right on par with a lot of these new buildings. And they're only building more. If you're familiar with like the Wake building, Morph buildings, all of these that are coming up and that are actually daily rentals, they're bringing up the prices on all of these as they get built. So this one's only going to get more expensive. So if you want to make an offer on this one, or you are looking for something else, make sure to click on the link in the description or the pinned comment to our form. You fill it out, and then someone on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to see some more awesome properties, make sure to click on this playlist right here.